In this video, we will show you how to strip OPGW aluminum pipe wire manufactured by Incab. Cable preparation should be done by properly trained and certified personnel using dedicated tools. Mechanical impact during preparation should not exceed the maximum acceptable values for this cable type. You may get detailed instructions on our company websites. Prior to cable preparation, read the installation guide for the splice closure, distribution frame, or other device that will be used for cable splicing or termination. OPGW AP is easy to install, resistant to short circuit currents, and may contain up to 144 optical fibers. Let's take a look at the cable design. It includes a central strength member, a fiberglass rod, and optical tubes with optical fiber stranded around the fiberglass rod and filled with water-swellable gel. The next layer is water-blocking yarn and tape and a thermal barrier. Finally, there is an aluminum pipe with a reinforcement wire stranded around it. Reinforcement wire can be aluminum-clad, steel wire, or aluminum alloy wire. The combination of materials depends on the required technical parameters of the cable. To prepare OPGW aluminum pipe cable for splicing or termination, we will need a tape measure to measure the cable length to be stripped, an alcohol-based marker to mark the stripping location, insulating tape for temporary bandage, hacksaw to notch the wires, a utility knife to remove water-blocking yarn, a stripper to open optical tubes, D-gel, a dedicated liquid to remove water-swellable gel. HACKSAW, our test engineer, will show how to strip OPGW aluminum pipe cable. Let's get started. Fix the cable in the clamp. The length of the cable to be stripped should be 2.5 meters. That will provide the fiber length required for installation of the splice closure. Measure 2.5 meters of the cable length and mark the location of the cut on the outer stranded wires. Put temporary bandage of insulating tape on both sides of the mark. Use a hacksaw to notch the outer stranded wires all around the cable. The depth of the notch should be about half of the wire diameter. Then unstrand the wires one by one, starting from the cable, and carefully break them at the notch. Open the aluminum pipe by sections of 30 to 50 centimeters or 12 to 20 inches starting from the cable end. Use a hacksaw to notch the aluminum layer all around the cable. Then break the pipe at the notch and remove carefully. Under the aluminum pipe, there is a water-blocking tape fixed with a yarn. Use the knife to remove the tape and the yarn. The next layer is stranded tubes fixed with a water-blocking yarn. Cut the yarn with a knife. Be careful not to damage the optical tube. Remove the water-blocking yarn. Unstrand the optical tubes. Use side cutters to remove insulating cord, if present. Cut the central strength member. The optical tubes are usually opened when the cable is already inserted into the splice closure. Use a dedicated stripper to open the optical tubes. Cut each tube. Tighten the jacketing simultaneously, cleaning the fiber from water-swellable gel with a wipe. It's recommended to perform this operation by sections of 20 to 30 centimeters or 8 to 12 inches. Use D-gel to remove the rest of the water-swellable gel. Preparation of OPGW aluminum pipe cable from Incab is now finished.